Hello everyone. In this video we'll see and understand what is data science, and we'll also see some of the aspects of it, like we'll understand first what is data science, fundamentals of data science, careers in data science, followed by applications of data science. So coming to the thing, according to Wikipedia as it states, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data. It is also related to data mining and big data. So data science isn't new. What is new is the various amount of data available from various resources. Like example, log files, social media, email, sales data, medical data, performance data, IoT data, census data, and also some pattern data, etc. As more data is available, it is obvious that what need to be done with this. So by using data science, data analysis, and visualization, it can reveal after analysis the hidden knowledge and insights in the data. It can also help to solve problems and addresses issues with better understanding and ease. Data analysis adds knowledge to industry. It can be used for better understanding needs and business performances. Fundamentals of data science. Here, the very first thing what comes is for every single thing what we do, problem specification. When there is a problem, we need to solve it using the things. So even in data science, the first thing is problem specifications. So after we have a specific problem and we need to clarify and justify the questions asked, we use data science. So when we have a problem and with us, the very first thing is from where will we get the data. So we may get the data from log files or sales data or any data stored of the logistic companies or any other financial companies. So very first thing we do is like after we get a problem specification or problem need, we do is data gathering. Once we get the data, we use various models and methods and do a data analysis, and we have many parts, many other steps in data analysis like data cleaning, data modeling, and all these things. And then we use data visualization tools and all these things to have an easy understanding of the data, what is there inside it. For example, graph, pie charts, bar, heat maps, and plots, which helps us understanding the data in a more easier and better manner. Next, applications of data science. Where is this data science used? Data science is almost used in every places. It has both the mix of the technology and all the hard skills and the soft skills. For example, hard skills like you need to know the things, coding and all these things, understanding the mathematics, having the statistical knowledge. And in soft skills, we need to understand the business, we need to understand the process, communication, storytelling. Once you get to analyze the data, you need to tell the other peoples what is it, what is the insight you found from the data, what is the knowledge you gain from the data after you analyze it and visualize it. So we need both of this. So these almost can be used everywhere. Here I have listed few like fraud and risk detections, healthcare, advanced image recognition, speech recognition, logistics, internet search, target advertising, website recommendations, and even in agriculture. So you can see like almost all the aspects uses data sciences. Like everywhere we have the applications of data science. So now when we have all this in all the aspects of our life and can be used in everywhere. So where do we have this career in this? Do we have a good career? Yes, we do have a very good career in this. As everybody as of know, data science is one of the 21st century's most demanding knowledge, a demanding job. With this demanding it comes we have a responsibilities also, like we need to have the compliances with the some of the organizations like we have GDRP and other organizations who have data regularities and all these things, so that you do not get access to the data which are not permitted to be accessed and all these things. Keeping those aside, here you can see in data science you have something like the big three things are data analyst, data scientist, and a data engineer. So who is a data analyst? It is typically considered Data analyst is typically considered as entry level position in the data science field. Although not all the data analysts are junior, they can be even senior. And according to the DataQuest.io, the average salary is $68,000 per year. Next, data scientist. Data scientists do many of the same things which are done by data analyst, but they also typically build machine learning models and other etc. things. And the average salary for data scientists are $128,000. Then we have data engineers. Who are they? They manage companies' data infrastructure, and this job requires a lot of less statistical analysis and lot more software development and programming skills. And their average salary ranges to $132,000. So that's a very high pay scale what they get. So this is one of the like very good career in data in this 21st century. So we'll see what we can do with this. So what next? So following this, we know what is data science, the careers into it, and applications where all it is used. As you saw earlier, the data science career, the data science applications, what is data science, and few responsibilities and the fundamentals of data science. So it's obvious that it was one of the very important and very emerging career in the 21st century. So it's very pretty good time to learn about data science and aspects of it. You have many resources available, and even in this channel, I'll get data science videos from the hands-on practices and exercises.